Hi, I'm John from SSW, and today I'm going to show you my first ever EF Core Web API. Let's go to the application. So this application allows us to create, read, update, and delete to-dos. And each to-do has three fields: an ID, a name, and something that marks it as complete or incomplete. This application has been configured to use an in-memory database, as well as to make use of EF Core. It has a front end and has Swagger enabled. Now let's do the CRUD operations in the front end first. And I'm gonna add 3 to-dos. Now from what you've noticed, as I interact with the website, EF Core logs appear in the terminal. Let's do the other operations. So let's complete this one. Delete this one. Change this to like that. Now I've done all of the CRUD operations. Let's do that in Swagger. Now Swagger does everything what the front end does. And let's test one. So let's retrieve all of the items. So as from what you can see, it has 2 of the to-dos: jogging Monday, walk the dog Sunday, as shown in the front end. Now finally, I'm going to show the successful and error response code possible for each action. And for that, I'm going to use a command line interface tool called http repl. Now what this tool does is to allow us to interact with the web API like a directory, like this. Now having arrived at the endpoint, let's do a post request first. So a successful post request is going to provide a 201 created response code, as well as the new object in the response body. Doing a GET request would provide a 200 OK response code, as well as the new to-do that we just added and the old ones. Doing a put request, let's say modifying the first to-do to change Monday to tomorrow, would provide a 200 for no content response code and a blank response body. Now, take note that all GET requests, if it's successful, would always provide a 200 OK. So this one I did a GET for an individual to do. Now, having shown the successful ones, let's do some error ones. So this one is a post request with an invalid Boolean value. So this provides a 400 bad request with some guidelines on how to fix it. Doing an invalid put request with the IDs misaligned would provide the same 400 bad request code. Now, attempting to delete that does not exist, like 2 for example, would provide a for offer not found request code, response code. Doing the same thing with a get would provide the same response code as well as a put. And that's it. What I've shown you is my first ever EF Core Web API. This is Jom from SSW signing off.